I swear that some people think that O2 sensors last forever. Because when you look at these in these old Mercedes, a lot of them, like this one, appear to be original. I think people just think they last forever. Don't fix it if it's not broke, right? I take a different approach, and recently I decided to replace the O2 sensor in my 380SL. And I decided to come up with a kit, because I know I've never done this before. We have O2 sensor kits for the 3-wire. This is the universal, right here, universal Bosch single-wire O2 sensor. So what I'm doing in this kit is I'm giving you full video instructions and some extra supplies, including a special wire splicer here, so you can just splice your wire in under the car. You don't have to pull everything out and pull your carpets out to get the plug out. And then we provide a couple other tools and things in the kit to help you install this yourself. This is not difficult to install yourself. You just need to be able to get good access under the car. So if you have an old O2 sensor, you may not even be getting an O2 warning light, but a lot of times these things just get sluggish and old in their response, and this is a good preventative measure. They're not expensive to just install one of these in your old 1980s era Mercedes-Benz.